Hello and welcome to a virtual open house for High Meadow School. High Meadow is located in the Hudson Valley, 90 minutes from New York City. My name is Jennifer Bosleman. I'm the Director of Admissions. Admissions for next year are open and we have a few spaces in most of our grades. Nursery through 8th are available. At High Meadow, we believe as a community that providing our students access to varied perspectives and points of view is a crucial part of a whole education. Through this process, we create a diverse, democratic community. We understand there are many ways to learn and meet each child where they are and take them as far as they can go. Play, social emotional development, choice, and voice define High Meadow School. I'd like to share a short film with you that gives further information about High Meadow, its philosophy, and features our head of school, Dr. Susan Painter.
I just need to find a place where I can lay my head. Mister, can you tell me where a man might find a bed? He just grinned and shook my hand. I know it was all he said. Take a load off Granny. Take a load for free. Take a load off of Granny. And you put the load right on me.
As the current head of school, what is most important to you?
What's most important to me is that every person in our community is respected for who they are, and that each person is able to express what matters to them, the parents, the children, the teachers, that they all have agency and know that they matter.
Why is play so important in education?
Play is so important not just because play is a great opportunity for children to develop their interests and to learn how to get along with one another and to experience the joy of childhood. But play is also a foundation for all future learning. When a child is playing in the dirt and the water and they're pouring water into the sandbox, they're learning about percolation rates that they're going to learn about in science when they're in the upper school. So everything they do, whether they're mixing paints and learning which colors combine, every bit of play is going to be part of a future foundation for learning.
Why do you think outdoor learning is important?
I think every child is a natural scientist, and being around the world and seeing how the world works in its natural form just leads to learning anything else they need to learn.
What is your vision for High Meadow's future?
I have a lot of vision for High Meadow's future. One thing is that I want to make sure that we continue to keep the core values that we've always had. I want to expand the nature trail. I want the children to be more engaged in doing environmental work. I would love to make this a green school where we're just more sustainable in general. And I never want a family to have to choose between the importance of their social emotional learning and the importance of being enriched academically and intellectually.
What would you describe as the heart of High Meadow?
What would you describe as the heart of High Meadow?
What would you describe as the heart of High Meadow School?
What would you describe as the heart of High Meadow School?
The heart of High Meadow is that you can be who you are.
The children, community,
The children.
What would you describe as the heart of High Meadow School?
The teachers.
And in celebration, I made a blueberry corn muffin.
We have the most extraordinary teachers here who put so much of themselves into their work and spend so much of their time making sure that they build really meaningful personal relationships with every student in their class so that every student feels seen, recognized, and understood, and then motivated to really want to do their very best work.
Why do you think curiosity matters?
I think curiosity is the foundation of all learning and all innovation. If we aren't curious, then how do we create?
We hope you enjoyed the short film and that you learned more about High Meadow School. To learn more about our admissions process, please go to highmeadowschool.org and then to our admissions page. High Meadow's admissions process is made up of 6 steps. Step 1, admissions inquiry. Step 2, parent interview and tour. Step 3, teacher recommendation. Step 4, admissions application. Step 5, child visit, now available virtually. And Step 6, the admissions decision. We are so excited that you're interested to learn more about our vibrant campus community. Thank you for your time, and for more information, you can email me at admissions@highmeadowschool.org.